Guys, good morning. Fishing na naman si Ruben Fishing Vlog. Fishing na naman guys. Nakahuli na naman tayo ng nanay guys. Guys oh. Sa kapusit guys. Dami nating huling pusit. Oh. Nanay to guys. May pang-ulam na naman si Ruben Fishing Vlog. Guys, good morning, good morning. Guys oh. Yun pa rin ang setup natin guys. Swerte talaga to guys. Guys, good morning guys. May pang-ulam na naman. Guys, paki-follow naman si Ruben Fishing Vlog. Yan guys. Guys. Guys, oh, lucky guys. Guys. Ito talaga yung red head from Philippines. Okay guys, bye bye. Mamaya na lang ulit.